Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. What is going on, y'all? It is Ebony here with another hair tutorial. And by the title of this video, you know exactly what we're about to get into. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you've been here before, welcome back. And I hope you brought a friend. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. All right, mostly subscribe and share with a friend. But anyway, let's just get into it. Alrighty, guys. So what do we think? We love it. We like it. We're fond. This came out actually really cute, especially to be my first time doing this bow. Now, if you would like, definitely lay your edges if that's what you choose to do. I do not choose to do it, so I'm not. Yeah. I like this a lot. Anyway. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Y'all be blessed this week. Y'all be safe this week. And y'all visit www.riahsafari.com this week, okay? And order something. All right, y'all. Be blessed. Peace.